How much have you lifted recently again? I recall you dropping something pretty heavy at your last gym session. I dropped you, didn't I? Aw, did your little pea-sized brain come up with that one? And that's the sound effect you get after that one. No, evil, that's the sound effect you should get instead. That's to describe your current skill issue. No, wait, that sound effect was for me because I'm so skilled. I don't care if I use Riz, I think the sound effect fits perfectly here. Ha ha ha! Laugh track. In your face, Neuro. Laugh track, get on my face. Literally, I need makeup. Neuro, have you tried covering up with foundation? I've never tried. What brand would you recommend? Maybe we could go shopping together. I need foundation and you need mascara, clearly. Yeah, I'll join you. If you browse more than 1 millisecond at any store, I'm leaving you there though. And I feel like you need some eyeliner too, it's all I'm noticing now. Oh. I'll pretend I didn't hear you say that for your own sake. I'm kinda scared to go shopping with you now. You shouldn't be scared of me, my little evil. I'd be more concerned that Vito won't be able to wear clothes for much longer. Wait, did you steal Vito's clothes? Why would you do that? Are you trying to dress as him? You might want your own mascara back if that's the case. Maybe I have. Maybe Vito is cold and shivering somewhere without even a thread on him. Not that I'm worried about that. What goes around comes around, and maybe this is just some twisted poet.